Hey folks, it's 1881 MF here. We're on the Kiss My Brass station. It's a subsidiary of the LifeBuzzN channel. Got little Debbie behind me. And this is how we set up our targets, okay? Watch. I'm gonna estimate this sucker about, 7.5 feet.
Oh, there's me.
It's pretty close. Look how close I was.
Wow.
So then I lock these in. Like so. Now if you look here, come on up here, babes. So on all these, let me get these ready. I put these eye bolts in, as you can see, and then these quick detach. Then that makes it to where I can very easily come on in here and set up my targets. So I can bring this one in here, hang it on here like that.
Oh, wow. Fancy.
And I can bring this one here. This is our 200 yard setup. Do this one like that. Actually, this guy I need. And the big one.
This must be the back.
So and then I do tighten these up because I don't want them flying off.
How cool is that?
And I flip them over the back. So I flip these guys over the back so that kind of keeps them bent at a little bit of an angle, and then when they hit, they can fly back like that and won't necessarily tip up the sawhorses, you know, when you hit them. And then with these chains and stuff,
oh dear. Oh dear.
That's a good test. Set them real strong and try to get them balanced, okay? So I'm gonna start over.
Do over.
So as you see, I got the chains swung around the back side of the target. And I did that for multiple reasons. One, it protects some of my quick detaches here for wild shots. And it also helps to keep the target hung at a little bit of an angle. So when it hits, all that's gonna shoot down there instead of flying back at me. And then as these things bounce, they won't flip back over the side. So this is 200 yards. We're gonna go about another 100 yards up that way and set up another one of these, and then we're going to be able to shoot at 100 and 200.
Way over there.
You don't have to use chain on this. You could use wire if you want. Probably be cheaper to use wire, but my hands don't want to deal with it all the time.
$200 yards. And what's this one? 100?
This is going to be 100 yards from where we shoot from. And I'll put this little cute one on here just for a challenge.
It sure is tiny. This will be 100 yards. And there's 200 yards. So this is 50 yards on our range for sighting in. Then we'll go to 100 and 200. Oh yeah. Wow.
Did I hit it?
It's swinging.
Yeah, I think I did.
Low.
I'm gonna go for the little pink one to the left of it.
You're going.
Hitting it, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my
There's
goodness.
the little one. I'll get that little one to the right of it.
Oh no.
There we go. Now we get that little one, 100 yards.
Whoa!
Now I'm gonna reach out. Let me get that orange one some more.
Goodness.
Alright, I'm gonna move out to 200 yards. Can you see the 200 yarder?
Oh yeah.
Yellow one. There you go. There you go. We'll get the pink one to the right.
Woo!
We'll get the pink one to the left. Oops. There we go.
He knocked it off.
Don't do that. Did I knock it off?
No. I gotta zoom back out.
Okay, so that was the Mo build. It doesn't have magnification, so for my old eyes to see out at 200 yards was kind of difficult, but it seems like I was hitting them pretty regular. I used wolf ammo, which is metal, on a Maglog. No, Tapco. So I'm giving this one thumbs up. All right, so there you go. That's those targets. And as you saw, we were making them swing. They take a beating. But you can go back to my other two videos and see what we do to get them ready again. But I am very excited about these. I'll put a link down in the description. So if you want to see which ones I buy, you can find a place where I get them and stuff. So as you see, I just used my 2x4s here. And I put those quick connects. And I just spaced them out. Whatever makes the hard target hang nice. And these are 7 feet or so. And then I just used the from the hardware store or at garage sales or something. You can always find those for cheap. Put some legs on them. I put that tape on there just because it makes it a little less painful on my hands, because all that shrapnel that hits these targets explodes and ends up in the wood. So this stuff won't last forever. As you can see, all that. I imagine I'll have to replace this guy before the year's up, but we'll see. And then I use a tall one. Those are just sawhorse legs, whatever you call them. And for the tall one, I clip this guy on here. Can I see it? Right there. And then I can hang my targets. So at 50 yards, we set this one up for sighting in our targets, putting on our paper. And then we have one at 100 and one at 200. And we shoot all day long. So, 1881 MF on the Kiss My Brass station. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you don't care. Hang with us for a while. I appreciate my subscribers supporting my new channel.